everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. It's a pretty disaster zone in BC, but I'm sure you've seen that on the news, so I asked you to send prayers our way. We would appreciate it. And when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway, which is a Loungefly brand new Disney Parks edition. So definitely like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And a thumbs up is always appreciated. Alright, so I got a box from Louis Vuitton and I have an unboxing. And let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, got my blade. Alright, let's see here. And they were using FedEx, but now they're using UPS, so we'll see what I got here. This is from the Edmonton store. My other CA is gone for some reason. I don't know why, but she's gone, so I have a new one. Maya. So we'll see how this is packaged. Alright, let's see here. Ah, there we go. Okay. Louis Vuitton. Got my receipt, which, you know, these have been small for a while. They used to be like that long, now they're like that long. Ah. Got some bubble wrapping. She gave me a shopper bag, so that was nice. Okay, one of my items. And my other item there. Okay. So the box is empty. And she's supposed to send me the holiday packaging at the end of the month. So we'll see if that really happens or not. I hope it does, but you just never know. Alright, so let's find out what's in this package. It's like an envelope kind of thing. So, alright, you still get the ribbon, so that's good. Because sometimes I notice that some of the unboxing, they don't even get the ribbon anymore. So, okay. This is my travel refill. And that's the item number if you're looking to get this one. It's pretty nice. Smells good. Okay, let's see here. we go. And they come like this. And they're supposed to come out of the they're supposed to come out of the box, but we'll see. All right, see if we can just push it out. There we go. I don't know why it's not coming out of the box, but all right. All right, and it's got a gold top, and you just unscrew it like that, and then it has 4 different perfumes, and you can buy these refills, and on the top there you just pop it in and it goes in your travel spray, and then you just like that pop it on and away you go. It's pretty simple. All right, that's the first one. Here's the second one. All right, it's in a drawstring box like this. All right, and this is my Agenda 2022 refill. It comes in a box like that, and there's nothing else in the box. So I'm supposed to get perfume samples. So there's nothing here, so I'll have to reach out and find out where they are. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.